Hello there, financial enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the world of assets that make people rich and never work again. Imagine a life where you're not tied to a 9-to-5 job, where you're free to pursue your passions and spend time with your loved ones, and yet your bank account keeps growing. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's all about understanding and acquiring the right assets. Assets, my friends, are the golden keys to the kingdom of financial freedom. They are the seeds you sow today that bear the fruits of wealth tomorrow. They are the silent workers in your wealth-building army, tirelessly adding to your financial fort. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but what exactly are these assets? Excellent question. In our journey today, we'll be exploring 4 types of assets that have proven to be wealth builders time and time again. Each of these assets has its unique charm and advantages. Some might suit your personality and lifestyle more than the others, but the common thread that binds them all is their power to generate income, to grow your wealth, and to set you on the path of financial independence. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now that you understand the power of assets, it's time to explore each one. So buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey into the world of assets that can make you rich and let you live a life where you never have to work. First, let's delve into the lucrative world of real estate. Now, this is an asset class that has been making people wealthy for centuries. It has the unique potential to generate income in multiple ways, making it an incredibly versatile tool in your wealth-building toolbox. Consider rental income, the most direct and obvious way real estate can put money in your pocket. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you create a steady stream of income that can often cover the costs of ownership and then some. It's like having a money tree that keeps dropping dollars month after month. But hold on, that's not all. Real estate also offers the potential for appreciation. Over time, property values tend to increase. This means that the house or apartment building you buy today could be worth significantly more in the future. It's a long-term play, sure, but one that can pay off handsomely. However, we can't talk about real estate without mentioning the tax advantages. Real estate investing comes with a host of potential tax benefits, from deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes to depreciation and more. These can significantly reduce your taxable income, leaving you with more of your hard-earned money. Now let's be clear, real estate investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful planning, a bit of financial savvy, and yes, sometimes even a touch of luck. But the potential rewards, they can be enormous. So, for those of you who are ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of real estate, we say go for it. And for those who prefer a different path, stay tuned. We've got plenty more to talk about. Real estate, when utilized effectively, can indeed be a gold mine. And that's not just a catchy phrase, it's a reality for countless individuals who've leveraged this asset class to build substantial wealth, so why not you? Moving on to the next asset, business ownership. Imagine holding the reins to your own financial destiny, where your hard work and ingenuity directly contribute to your wealth. That's the power of owning a business. It's not merely about earning a paycheck, it's about creating a system that generates wealth for you. Now let's dive deeper into the potential of owning a business. Unlike a job where your income is set by your employer, owning a business gives you control over your income source. You decide how much you want to earn based on the effort you're willing to put in. This autonomy is empowering, and it's what makes business ownership such an attractive asset. But the benefits don't stop at controlling your income source. Another tremendous advantage of business ownership is the power of scaling. When you own a business, you're not limited by the number of hours you can work in a day. Instead, you can leverage systems, technology, and people to multiply your output and increase your profits exponentially. Think about it. If you have a successful product or service, and you find ways to reach more customers or increase your prices, your income can grow significantly. This scalability is not possible in a traditional job, where your income is tied to the number of hours you work. Business ownership also offers other financial benefits. These may include tax advantages, the potential for significant profit when selling the business, and the opportunity to build a legacy that can provide wealth for future generations. However, let's be clear. Owning a business is not a walk in the park. It requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to take risks. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But those who navigate these challenges successfully often reap significant rewards. So consider this. Business ownership could be your ticket to financial freedom. It's an asset that can provide not only a steady income but also the potential for substantial wealth accumulation. It's a journey that requires courage and determination, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. Business ownership, though challenging, can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. Now let's talk about the modern-day gold rush: side hustles. In our rapidly evolving economy, side hustles have become the new gold rush, offering everyone the opportunity to strike it rich. These are not your traditional 9-to-5 jobs. Instead, they're flexible, creative, and entrepreneurial avenues that offer a chance to supplement your income and, in many cases, even become your primary source of earnings. Let's dive into the world of side hustles. They come in all shapes and sizes. You could be an artist selling your creations online, a programmer developing apps in your spare time, or a writer crafting compelling stories for a global audience. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination and willingness to take the plunge. Side hustles are not just about making a quick buck. They offer a unique blend of flexibility and potential for growth. You can start small, perhaps dedicating a few hours each week, and gradually scale up as your venture gains traction. It's a chance to turn your passion into profit, all on your own terms. But let's make one thing clear: side hustles are not a shortcut to wealth. They require dedication, effort, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. They may even demand sacrifices such as less leisure time or sleep. But the rewards, both financial and personal, can be enormous. In the age of the internet, starting a side hustle has never been easier. The world is your marketplace, and you can reach customers across the globe from the comfort of your home. All you need is a good idea, a solid plan, and the resilience to keep going when things get tough. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. It's a treasure trove of resources to help you get started and succeed in your side hustle journey. In this modern-day gold rush, side hustles are the nuggets of opportunity waiting to be discovered. They offer a path to financial independence that's accessible to anyone and everyone. All it takes is the courage to dig in and the perseverance to keep going, no matter what. Side hustles, with their flexibility and scalability, can be a significant wealth booster. Finally, we have the invisible money machine: dividend-paying stocks. These are the powerhouse of passive income. But what exactly are they? Essentially, when you own a dividend-paying stock, you're a part of the company's profit-sharing plan. A portion of the company's earnings is distributed to shareholders, that's you, in the form of dividends. Now imagine having a multitude of these stocks in your portfolio, all of them regularly pumping out dividends. This creates a consistent stream of income, almost like an invisible money machine. And the beauty of this machine is that it works round the clock, even while you're sleeping. The key here is to choose companies with a proven track record of paying dividends. Look for stability and reliability. In essence, dividend-paying stocks can be a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. Harness their potential and watch your wealth grow. So there you have it. 4 powerful assets that can make you rich and let you never work again. We've seen how real estate can provide a steady stream of income, how owning a business can offer both control and profits, how side hustles can boost your wealth, and how dividend-paying stocks can be your invisible money-making machine. It's crucial to remember that the secret to wealth isn't in one single asset. It's about diversity. A balanced and diversified portfolio is the key. Think of these assets as your financial team, each playing a different yet vital role in your wealth-building journey. And remember, acquiring these assets isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process, a journey if you will. A journey that will take you down the path to true financial freedom. Remember, the path to financial freedom is through smart and strategic asset acquisition. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. Until next time, keep building your wealth.